3D printing our seaplane, part 3 out of 4. I had to increase the size of the adapter and order bigger propellers as the last ones didn't produce enough thrust. Because I didn't add the supports for the wings, the plane crashed and the wings came off. Now for the landing gear. I'm working on my video making skills, and I hope you stay with me through my journey. If you want to support, you can follow or even just like the video. Final part of the assembly plus flight test, hopefully it will fly.